Come test drive the 2017 CC. Volkswagen CC. It's what's on the outside that counts and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, speed control, power moonroof. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.